Now error detecting codes, right? नॉइज जो है वो डेटा में चेंजेस कर सकते हैं, राइट, मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं ट्रांसमिशन में। 1 की जगह पे 0 और 0 की जगह पे 1 हो सकता है, राइट। तो एक बिट का भी चेंजेस हो अगर डेटा में तो वो सीरियस प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर सकता है। तो ये एरर जो है वो डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम, और वो डिटेक्ट होने के बाद हम उसको करेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। दैट इज कॉल्ड एरर डिटेक्टिंग एंड करेक्टिंग कोड्स. Noise can modify or change the data in transmission. The ones may get changed to 0 and zeros may get to change 1. 1 की जगह पे 0 हो सकता है, 0 की जगह पे 1 हो सकता है. Because digital system must be accurate to the digit, errors can pose a serious problem. Single bit error should be detected and corrected by different algorithms. Parity checksum, block parity. Parity bit is the simplest techniques. There are two types of parity, odd parity and even parity. From odd parity, the parity is set to a 0 or a 1 at the transmission, such that the total number of 1 in the word including the parity bit is an odd number. For even parity, the parity is set to 0 or 1 at the transmission time, such that the total number of 1 bit in the word including the parity bit is an even number. For example, 0, 1, 1, 0, this is the binary number, has 1 as odd parity and 0 as even parity. Detect a single bit error but cannot detect a 2 or more errors within this same word. In any practical system, there is always a finite probability of occurrence of single bit error. For example, in an even parity, code is 10111001 is erroneous because number of 1 is odd. In this, number of 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is odd number. While the code 111011 is error free because the number of 1 is 6 here. Here the scheme for this message is even parity, right? In this, number of 1 is 5, so it contains the error, but this code has 6 number. Next scheme is checksum. Simple parity cannot detect two errors within the same word. Added to the sum of the previously transmitted word. At the transmission, the checksum up to that time is sent to the receiver. The receiver can check its sum with the transmitted sum. What happened here? Receiver can check the sum with transmitted sum. If these two sums are same, then there is no error, right? But if there is an error, the receiving, if these two sum are not equal, means there is an error. So receiving location can ask for retransmission of entire data. What happened here? Receiver asks for retransmission of entire data. This type of now next is logic families. तो ये थोड़े टर्म्स है जो हमें याद रखने हैं डिजिटल IC स्पेसिफिकेशन। थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज, it is defined as that voltage at the input of gate which causes a change in state of output from one logic level to another logic level, right? एक लॉजिक लेवल से अनदर लॉजिक लेवल में चेंज होता है, तो जो वोल्टेज पे चेंज होता है उसे थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज बोलते हैं। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्रोपोगेशन डिले। अ पल्स through a gate takes a certain amount of time to propagate from input to output. This interval of time is known as propagation delay, right? Propagation delay means what? हम जब इनपुट को चेंज करते हैं तब इमीडिएटली आउटपुट चेंज नहीं होता, आउटपुट चेंज होने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है। तो इनपुट चेंज करते हैं और हमें आउटपुट मिलता है, उनके बीच का जो टाइम है उसे बोलते हैं प्रोपोगेशन डिले, राइट? इंटरवल ऑफ अ टाइम व्हेन वी चेंज द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट विल बी चेंज। पावर डिसेप्शन, power dissipation. The power dissipation PD of a logic gate is the power required by a logic gate to operate with 50% duty cycle at a specific frequency and is expressed in milliwatt. पावर डिसिपेशन को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? मिलीवॉट्स में। फैन इन, the fan in of a logic gate is defined as number of input that logic gate is designed to handle. Means fanning means what? कि कितने नंबर ऑफ इनपुट हम लॉजिक गेट को दे सकते हैं, राइट? सपोज कि एंड गेट है तो एंड गेट में मिनिमम 2 और मैक्सिमम कितने लॉजिक गेट को वो कितने लॉजिक इनपुट को वो हैंडल कर सकते हैं। हम 3 इनपुट दे सकते हैं, 4, 5, राइट? तो इसको फैन इन बोलते हैं। फैन आउट, the fan out, also called loading factor of a logic gate, is defined as maximum number of standard loads that the output of a gate can derive without impairing its normal operation, right? अगर हम number of inputs increase करते जाए, right, तो कितने नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स पे वो प्रॉपरली आउटपुट देगा, राइट? अगर हम नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स इंक्रीज करते जाए और वो प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं करेगा तो मैक्सिमम कितने नंबर पे वो वर्क कर सकता है, तो उसके बोलते हैं फैन आउट। मीन्स कि मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी ऑफ इनपुट, राइट? फैन इन मीन्स नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स कितने हैं वो, राइट? और फैन आउट मतलब कि मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ लोड कितना वो। Noise margin. The noise immunity of a logic circuit refers to a circuit's ability to tolerate noise voltage at its input. A quantitative measure of noise immunity is called noise margin. Next is operating temperature. The IC and other circuit are, means gates and other circuit are temperature sensitive because they are semiconductor devices. However, they are designed to operate satisfactorily over a specific range of temperature. तो कितने टेम्परेचर पे वो वर्क कर सकता है, राइट? सेटिस्फैक्टरी, तो वो टेम्परेचर को ऑपरेटिंग टेम्परेचर बोलते हैं। अगर हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते जाए, राइट, तो वो बंद हो जाएगा। स्पीड पावर प्रोडक्ट्स, a common means of measuring and comparing overall performance of an IC family is the speed power product, which is obtained by multiplying the gate's propagation delay by the gate power deception. Now next is TTL versus CMOS. TTL versus CMOS versus ECL. Power input in TTL moderate, in CMOS low, in ECL moderate and high. Frequency limit in TTL it is high, CMOS it's moderate and ECL it's very high. Circuit density in TTL moderate high, CMOS high and very high, and in ECL it's moderate. Circuit types per family, TTL it's high, CMOS it's high and ECL it's moderate. Now TTL transition transistor logic. Dependence on transistors alone to perform basic logic operation. Most popular logic family TTL is most widely used bipolar digital IC family. TTL use transmitter operating in saturate mode. It is the fastest of the saturated logic family. Good speed, low manufacturing cost, wide range of circuit and availability in SSI and MSI. Next is Schottky TTL. When a transistor is saturated, excess charge carried will be stored in the base of region and they must be removed before the transistor can be turned off. So, owing to storage time delay, the speed is reduced. Schottky TTL series reduced storage time delay by not allowing the transistor to go into a full saturation situation. This is accomplished by using Schottky barrier diode SBD between the base and the collector of each transistor. More than 3 times the switching speed of standard TTL at expense of approximately doubling the power consumption.